Hello, I'm Scott.
I'm Randy.
And
You alright, boys?
today, as a treat for you guys, we're going to do At Home with Randy and Scott Doctor's Surgery Roleplay.
Yeah.
Now, Randy is a poo doctor, aren't you, Randy?
By trade.
Yeah, poo
By
consultant. And he's taught me a few things, so really I'm taking what Randy's given me and giving it to you. A little check-up roleplay. See if you learn anything.
I know what I know. He knows what he knows.
We both know what we know.
I tell him. He tells me.
And that's just Randy and Scott.
Yeah.
So right, before we start, I'm just going to have a quick wash of my hands. If you don't mind, do you mind if I just quickly wash my hands, Randy?
Yeah, no, that's fine, Randy. You can wash your little mitts, Mr.
Right.
Randy.
Oh, bit too much.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the classic.
And
Right.
you want me to do it, I suppose?
Yeah, would you mind, Randy? Would
Yeah.
you mind? Yeah. Bit of
Yeah.
bit of this, bit
Yeah.
of all that, bit of round the
And tell
wrists.
me how do you do. Yeah, you're telling me
Yeah.
how to do it.
Then you get your mitts here. Yeah.
I heard you get it behind the ears.
Yeah, you got to get behind the ears.
Yeah.
Got-
Behind the ears. Oh, that's how
Yeah.
you have a wash.
That's how you have a wash.
Yeah.
And sometimes you'd wear gloves, but today we're not because we're mates.
Don't need gloves, mate.
We're two best mates that live together.
Yeah. It's always going to be that way.
Come on, mate.
Yeah.
So, now I've washed my little fingies. Randy, why have you come into my GP surgery today?
Well, I'm experiencing sort of fever symptoms.
Oh.
And I'm also have a few aches and pains in my willy.
Oh, no. Down there.
I was sleeping. I got a bit drunk, and I fell asleep on a sofa. And then Scott
Me.
came along and I quote, "Randy, I put condensed milk in the Johnny again." And he went and he got my willy
Yeah.
and he stuck the Johnny with condensed milk on it. Right on my Wilkins.
Wow.
And now,
Yeah.
when I wee, the wee is very viscous and smells.
And what colour would you say it is?
I'd say, well, it's the colour of wee, really, black.
Have you noticed any blood in there?
In my wee?
Wee.
Well, yeah, but it's hard to see, innit? But I've had a few blood clots, nothing big. but
Nothing
yeah,
too major.
Not really, no.
Just the typical blood clot.
Normal.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst pain, it's like you've got needles through your legs.
Yeah.
Or like 1, which ain't that bad. What would you say the pain is for this fever and the thing in your old Wilkins?
It's about 4. Or maybe a 10.
All right, well, Randy. Actually, can I just confirm your name is Randy, right?
Yeah.
And can I just confirm your date of birth?
Yeah. It's Randy.
All right, and your address. Sorry, before I proceed, I need to get your address. It's just imperative to me.
It's same as where you are, actually, where we live. We'll keep that disclosed.
Yeah, we don't want
Yeah.
any fans at the door. Right, now, Randy, I think we can help you out now. What I'm going to have to do is just wash my hands again.
Do you want me to do it as well?
Yeah, would you be able to wash your hands again,
Yeah.
please? Yep, thank you. Right.
You're going to show us how to do it?
Yeah. You just
Oh,
have
it's
to...
got-
Yeah,
Go behind ears.
yeah, you have to go behind the ears. Right now, Randy, I'm going to have to just get some social history from you, if that's okay.
Yeah,
just
that's
to
all
see
right.
where
That's
we are
all
with
right.
this, so I can rule things out.
That's alright, we're all friends here.
Okay, right, I'm going to start
We're all
off
friends
with...
here.
Do you live alone?
It's alright, we're all friends here. Do I live alone? No, I live with you.
Yeah. Do you have a sexual life?
Is my life generally sexual?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah. I mean, you had that beef stroganoff the other day. You got a bit aroused over that, didn't you?
Who wouldn't?
Who wouldn't?
It was nice. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it was
I
nice.
mean, there's a lot of things in my life that's sexual. I mean, I can't go a minute without splurging in a sock, really. Exactly, you know what I mean? Every time I might go to the shops and I'll be like, is that a fucking pack of eggs?
Yeah.
And I just want to fuck all the eggs.
Randy, can you tell me about general exercise?
Genital exercises.
Yeah.
I get my genitals and I do this thing where I grab one, I grab the other, and then I'll go like that. And you do that a little bit,
Yeah.
and what you do is you stretch in the bag, and then eventually, when the bag gets long enough, you can do a bit of that one.
Bit of a cowboy.
And you know about this one.
Lasso.
When I go, and I pull it, and then I get Scott, and then it's like that, and then he gets purple, And then my arms feel really like nice and dense afterwards, and then like I feel like that's a good workout.
So I take that as 5 times a week. Right, now tell me about your diet.
Don't have one of those.
Don't have a diet?
Don't have one of those.
Not everyone does. Right, tell me about your poos, your stools. We haven't got a stool sample from you, so go on, give me it.
Well, I'd say like, you know, my poo kind of stems from my diet. So I'm known to eat quite a lot of different bits, but I mainly come from a tin.
Yeah.
Or from Scott's bum, because we do a recycling scheme.
Yeah.
Where sometimes if we're a little bit low on money, we know that we can always constantly feed ourselves by doing the old circle motion. And we get into a ring shape and we just feed from ourselves. But then sometimes, you know, my back hurts and all of that stuff, so
Yeah.
you bend over a bit, I bend over ears a bit, like a Pez dispenser.
Give and take.
So really, my stool is a bit like yours, because we share it.
Yeah, we do. Right, now tell me about recent surgeries. You had any recent surgeries?
I don't know of any recent surgeries that I've had.
Appendix?
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Scott took my appendix out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a special Friday night treat.
Well, what it was is I said to Scott, I don't have an appendix.
No.
So we were watching that programme, Embarrassing Bodies. So we were watching that, and then I was like, I don't have an appendix. And Scott said, everyone has an appendix. And I was like, yeah, find mine. So then Scott got a rusty knife, and he cut, I think, where was my one? It was round about there. And he cut it, and he pulled out my appendix out of like that bit.
So that's the only surgery you've had, is it?
Well, yeah, if you can count it as one.
I do, and I will. Do you drink?
Do I drink? Yeah, lots.
Yeah?
Yeah, hot dog water, wee. Yeah.
What about smoking? Do you smoke? You
Yeah.
smoker?
Well, I moisten my lungs sometimes with a bit of
Yeah.
with a bit of fags.
Oh, okay, yeah, I get that. Any over-the-counter medicines? Anything like, paracetamol, ibuprofen?
I think I have some of those sometimes.
Yeah. Any, I hope this ain't an embarrassing question. Any recreational drugs?
Any recreational
Yeah,
drugs?
any of those?
I don't.
Weed, cannabis, hoi, cat, beans. We're talking heroin, vodka.
No, I'm single and I don't have children, and I live with you.
Okay, Randy. Now, if you don't mind, I'm just going to quickly wash my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a quick one.
Suppose you want me to do it as well.
Yeah, would you be able to do a little quick dollop? Yeah. All right. So.
Yeah, show us how to do it.
Yeah, we'll show you how to do it.
How'd you got to go behind
around
the
there,
ears?
right behind the ears. Right, and we must get really dry. Okay, so. Right, so now that's all done, I want to quickly ask, if you don't mind, I need your consent. If that's all right, informed consent, may I have a look at your face, please, real quick?
I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Would
okay,
you like me to take my goggles off?
Yes, please, if you
All right,
wouldn't
yeah.
mind, Randy.
If you don't mind holding these?
Yeah, do you mind if I call you Randy?
That's fine.
All right, okay. Now, Randy, I'm just going to need you to just quickly do this. Just pull down your eyelids real quick.
For the camera or for you?
For the camera, please, Randy.
Okay.
Right. Now, I'm just going to be looking at here, any discoloration, any yellowing. I'm checking for jaundice. I'm checking for Jordan Trinders. I'm checking for all sorts. And nope, you've got a very lovely, healthy-looking set of eyes. You can put your pupils away now, please. Right, now, I want you to quickly squeeze your nose, please, Randy. Right, we're just checking to see how quickly he can hold his breath. No, he seems, he seems like he's choking a little bit. Right, you can allow your fingers to take, from the nose, please, Randy. All right, now, Randy, would you mind opening your mouth real quick? Just open your mouth, say, just real quick. Right, now we're just checking, see he's got all his teeth in there. Yeah, his dentist has done a very nice job. He's obviously had braces there. Right, Randy, if you don't mind, I'm just going to ask you to put your fingers together just like this, just into a diamond shape, if I can see that.
Yeah,
we're just checking for clubbing, any signs of Jack in the Box. Yep, no, that's a perfect diamond, Randy.
Yeah.
Randy, lovely, Randy.
Okay.
You put them down. Actually, now, Randy, would you be able to put your fingers out like this?
Oh,
please?
yeah, I can do that.
All right, now we're just going to...
Ow!
We're just going to check his cap refills, see if the...
Ow!
Okay. Randy, would you be able to turn your fingers round, please?
All right,
Your hands, yes.
Yeah.
Lovely. Right.
Ow!
Right, we're just going to do this one more time.
Ow! Yeah, go ahead.
Right, we're just going to...
Ow! 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 Ah! Ah!
Okay, now Randy seems to have very, very nice fingers.
Yeah.
Okay, right,
Thanks,
Randy,
Scott.
you can take your glasses back now, thank you.
Thanks, mate.
That's alright. We've washed our hands, now we're going to just do a quick family history, if that's alright. So we've done your history and your social life, we're going to do a family history.
Sure.
If you or anyone in your family have experienced any of these things, Randy, please do let me know. I'm going to wash my hands real quick before we get on to this section. Would you be able
I
to
suppose
do-
you want me to wash mine?
Yeah, I would love that actually. Right, so we're just going to do that. Washing along
You know
at
what?
home.
Show us how to do it.
Yeah, round here.
I just got to go
bit of
behind
these, bit of this. Right,
Alright.
we've done all of them.
Cool.
And don't forget the knees, of course. Right, Randy, we'll start off. Any tuberculosis in your family?
Yeah.
Any rheumatic fever?
Yeah.
Any cancer?
Yeah.
Any diabetes?
Yeah.
Any arthritis?
No.
No? No,
No.
arthritis for you?
What do you think I am?
I don't know.
What do you think my family do? It's a horrible thing to come out with.
See, this can happen. You can touch a nerve and you'll just have to write it down as unknown, really.
I don't think you know what that means.
Any hypertension in the family?
No.
Any heart attacks, Randy?
Yeah.
Yep. Have you had any beans on toast for breakfast recently, Randy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weirdly. Weirdly enough. Actually,
Randy,
yeah.
what's your favourite band, Randy?
My favourite band?
Yeah.
Muslim.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Have you been to Brighton lately, Randy?
Yeah.
Right, Randy, I'm going to stand up real quick, and this will happen. Because basically I'm sitting on a bike, and when you're in a GP surgery, you don't tend to sit on an exercise bike, especially not on the bit I'm sitting on. It's really hurting me. I've got piles at the moment. Right, Randy. Okay, I think that's about it for family history.
How are your piles?
They're not bad, Randy.
You've had them years.
It's just something that I have to live with.
But you can get them treated.
I hear you.
Well, I feel like you know you can. You're just not.
I like them. Yeah.
I know. That's sick.
But we're here for you, Randy, and we're just
I think
about to
we
give
really
you
should be here for you, but
your
okay.
final diagnosis.
No problem.
We're about to give the final diagnosis, but before you give that, you have to ask, is there anything, this covers your back, is there anything you think that I've forgotten, Randy? Anything you feel you need to mention?
My dad's born in June.
Alright, so my final diagnosis is, it is obvious to me that Randy has a serious case of gastritis. If I percuss him right here, you can hear an echoing sound where his spleen should be. And Randy, if you don't mind, I'm going to give you prescription for the pharmacist. If you go to the pharmacist, they will give you a nice bit of pills. And just pop them in and chew them down, drink some water. You should be alright if the pain persists in your Jenkins and elsewhere. Call up A&E and go straight there because you're probably on death's door at that point. So is that alright, Randy?
That's lovely, and I mean, just talking about it makes things not hurt.
And it's funny, but you'll hear that a lot in the doctor's surgery. So that's the doctor's roleplay for today. Thank you, Randy, for teaching me so I could teach the audience.
That's alright, yeah.
So what are you going to do for the rest of the afternoon, Randy?
Do you want me to wash mine?
Yes, please. Okay. Got any plans for this afternoon, Randy?
Well, yeah, I think myself and you, we've got some plans, actually.
Yeah, I was going to check his lymph nodes. So that is it for today. Thank you, and good luck if you are becoming a doctor. I hope this has helped you, and you learn a lot. Alright, see you later.
Alright.